morning! Welcome to Porsche Channel! Ayan, ano ngayon? Public holiday. Hindi ko alam kung bakit public holiday. Nakalimutan ko. Pero public holiday today. Kaya, ayan, breakfast tayo. Afternoon shift ako ngayon. Kaya, kain tayo. Ito yung aking breakfast. Ano na? 9:40. Yan, ang aking breakfast. May bacon, tapos cheese hotdog, egg, and garlic bread ako. Ano, garlic rice. Ayan, mali-mali na. Kagigising ko lang. Kaya, ayan, wala namang masyadong ganap kasi wala namang open ngayon. Kasi public holiday, lahat close. Kaya, dito lang kami sa bahay. Tapos may pasok ako afternoon shift. 3 o'clock to 9:30. Tapos, sa Wednesday, may general cleaning kami. Kaya, ayan. Walang masyadong ganap. Kain tayo. Sobrang init dito ngayon. Mushroom. Sarap. Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng ng asin. Ano lang yung butter. Fishy. Going for fishing. Sila balik. Fishing time. Time for fishing. We're here in Semaphore. Semaphore. Monica. Hello everybody. Here's Monica. Fishing. We're going for fishing. Hope we catch a lot of fish and crabs. Expert. Octavia, you expert.
It's our first time. Oh, I went crabbing.
I think with the, yeah. Monica Lucian. Crabbing. Not too much money, but otherwise it's gonna be so heavy. And then how are you gonna lock this one, Monica?
I know. Because I was thinking I can't. Yeah, I know.
There's an app like this. Oh, yeah, you need to put it. There's an app.
You can put one of these. Have you been comfortable with this? Yeah, you can just wait.
The thing is,
Can you take it off?
but the thing is, if you don't put them in the net,
That's
and then
yeah, their coffee is really good, unless it's the hard when you guys there. You ever seen it behind the coffee?
Oh, there's a lot of fish over there. See, Ate. Oh my God.
this way. Yeah. Hopefully we get of crabs. Because then otherwise you're sort of pulling.
Ah, yes, so much.
More crabs. More crabs. Maybe.
Yeah, just starting.
And I'll keep one. We'll keep one fish to bite.
Ah, okay.
I'm so sorry, Jared. Honestly, I told him 7 heads. He didn't put it on. I told him 7
Oh,
heads.
really?
Honestly.
You said 7, you only gave
That's
me
why.
5.
Yeah.
How much did you pay for
That carried it come.
I really need help how to tie the rope.
Ever since you said that, I've been like looking at the fish market.
To knot the rope.
Fuck you!
Like that?
I bought 2 crabs this day.
Well, how? You just pulled them up?
Well, they dropped. I was really into
Oh, yeah.
crabs.
Yeah, nice, cool.
But crabs is pretty cool. Yeah.
I know.
That's quite
it's like a,
hard,
what do you call it? It's like a
Monica.
small
Yeah,
dog.
sorry.
Paul Jackson. Yeah, Paul Jackson.
Yeah, it's keep going.
Yeah, this was funny. It's good that Carrie didn't came. She would have hated me.
Why? Oh,
Because I told her going to buy pay.
oh. But she doesn't bring the net.
Did you just check on the door?
Yeah.
Are you okay there, Octavia? Are you okay? Yeah.
That looks like my coat.
It's a big fish. You can put one in here, Octavia. You can put one in here. What happened? Oops.
No, I usually don't drink. Oh, yeah. No, I'm Omega.
Huh?
Is it small, Monica?
How did you smell?
Yeah.
It's okay?
For you, Omega.
Wow, yay, congratulations!
That's a bigger one. Hi, come on.
Wow. Wow. Lucky you.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Huh? You got 2 already. I think it's okay.
Yeah, that's big.
It's a
I'm scared.
Ano yan?
seal.
Where? Where?
Over.
There.
Oh, we cannot do the torch. Okay, let's see. Hi guys! Good morning! Another vlog na naman tayo. Pupunta kami ni Alex sa city. Ngayon may mga road works dito sa lugar namin. Ay. Alex. Ayan, road works there. Ayan, road works here. Hello guys! Ayan, nakalis na kami doon. Sobrang traffic doon sa lugar namin kasi may yung sewerage, inaayos nila sa council yun eh, kaya sobrang traffic dun sa lugar namin. Kaya ngayon pupunta naman kami dito sa Consulate, kasi nga yung problema namin dito sa what do you call this, problema namin dito sa aming sa Moldex, yung pangalan nito, yung refund namin sa condo, yung binayaran namin, kailangan namin makuha. Hindi naman namin nakuha lahat yung pera, pero at least kahit paano may makukuha kami. Tapos dinidak pa nila, diba, yung mga binayad namin, hindi lahat, parang mas marami pa sila nakuha. Tapos yung pangalan nito, yung magbabayad pa kami dito sa sa SPA namin, special power of attorney, tapos kinaltas pa yung pera doon sa yung i-refund namin, kakaltasin pa ng 20,000, kaya nakakaloka. Kaya ang mangyayari, si mother yung kukuha nung pera, itatransfer na lang doon sa bank account niya. Kaya nakakaloka. Kaya ito day off ko ngayon. Tapos sobrang magiging busy na ako kasi may interview ako sa Thursday para sa another job, 'di ba? Todo na to. Kaya kailangan ko maging healthy para sa kabuhayan. Kaya ayan guys, ayan, punta tayo. Dito pa si Alex sa pharmacy, may kukunin siyang gamot. Tapos diretso na tayo sa Consulate. May ang appointment namin doon 11:45. Okay. Yan yung Consulate. Volunteer lang pala sila doon. I think I'm gonna apply dual citizenship. Dito kami sa Toyota. Naghahanap ng sasakyan. Mga sasakyan dito, Toyota. Oh, ganito yung sasakyan. Sky Active. Ganda nito. Pares din ang sasakyan ko. Kulay. Mazda 3. Ayan, yan yung price neto. Hybrid. Ano kaya yung bibili ni Alex sa akin? Ito na ito. Ito yung presyo niya. Wow, ang ganda. Ito yung gusto ko. Pero 38,000. Yan. 2020. Like this car, but it's not a hybrid. Cute niya. Yaris 35 Toyota. Dito naman kami ngayon ni Alex sa T3 Plaza. Magla-lunch kami dito. Kami ni Alex dito sa Jarba. Sama ko si Alex. Ano ito? Wonton soup. Wonton soup. Ito yung bag ko. DKNY. Ang cute niya. Si Alex. Ito yung restaurant. Ang cute. Walang masyadong tao. It's namin. Yung restaurant. Si Alex. My day.
Well,
My day.
oi.
You need to go there.
Right?
Dito ka sa Savers. Dito sa mga gawin. Ito, nakita. Kunin ko to. Gawa ko.